All right, everybody, so this is a guided walkthrough for the Julie level, otherwise known as level number 38 from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we want to do when we do any of these CTF levels is we need to read the mission.txt file over here to figure out what is going on in this level. So we can just use the cat command to read the mission.txt file, and it says here that the user Irene believes that the beauty is in the difference. So beauty in the difference, well, what does this mean? We've got two files over here. So there's number 1 and number 2. Okay, so we've got number 1 and number 2. If we take a look at number 1.txt, we've got a bunch of different passwords over here. So we don't know which one is the correct one. And if we take a look at 2.txt, it's the same thing. So what we need to do to finish this level is to figure out the difference between file number 1 and file number 2. So it just so happens that there's a great little command inside of Linux called Diff, and you feed it two different pieces of input, and it's going to tell you what the difference is between these are. Actually, I think we can demonstrate. First, we can demonstrate Diff, and maybe we can echo, and then how will we give it 2 arguments? Anyways, let's skip the demonstration. Let's just get to the point. So it's diff 1.txt, 2.txt, and it's going to tell us what is different between these two files. So when we give the command, we're going to see that between 1 and 2, that this is different over here. So this is the password for the next level. So to everybody keeping track at home, the Irene user is the next user. So Irene's password is this. So the difference was that this was turned into this, which means the original password was this. Okay. All right, so let's do a little after action report over at GitHub. So over at GitHub, whoops, this is not GitHub, this is ChatGPT. Just a second. Okay, so this is the Julie level. Let's edit it. Okay, so first of all, we need to figure out what the who the target user for the level is. So the target user for this level is the Irene user, and the method of solving this level was to figure out the differences between two files using the diff command, and the key command in this case was just diff 1.txt, 2.txt. Okay, so let's save that out. All right, everybody, so that was a guided walkthrough for the Julie level, otherwise known as level number 38 from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.